How to fix Google 15 GB out of storage forever. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix if your Gmail storage is full. Here is how you could fix it. So, first of all, you want to go to the Gmail inbox, and next thing, what you actually want to do is you want to delete emails you no longer need, including those in the trash as well. So in order to delete it, so you simply want to long press on it so that you could select multiple. You want to do the same thing just like this, long press on it, and whichever of these emails aren't needed, you simply want to long press on it and then select it. Once you've selected, you click on the select all option. Then you simply want to go, if you don't need it, you could go ahead and click on select all option, and here you could click on a bin icon, and this is how you could delete it. So likewise, you could tap on the tab bar and go to the trash or the bin folder, and here you'll be able to see this. You simply want to click on all, and then you want to click on a three dot or click on empty trash now, and this is going to help you out to get the storage as well. The other thing is access your Google account storage, that is go to drive.google.com to see how much storage you have across it. So likewise, you could also regularly empty your trash folder as the latest before being permanently removed. The other thing is, if you regularly need more storage, you could also explore Google One for additional storage options as well. So likewise, what you could also do is, if you use Google Photos, ensure you upload quality to set in storage saver to free up your space as well. So these are a couple of things you could keep in mind or check in order to fix your Google storage. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.